Hi, my beautiful people. This is Dr. Destiny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, you want to hang out with me for just a little bit? Hang out with the girl and her jump rope and nature. Guys, y'all know my favorite habitat is being out into nature. So we're going to go out into nature. We're going to explore a few things that nature has out there. I don't know exactly what's going on. Hopefully we get to talk to some of the creatures, the animals, and get to see and feel that sun on our bodies, and maybe we just see what's going on out in nature. Hang out, have some fun with Dr. Destiny, her jump rope, and nature. So you ready? Let's do this. And I just want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel, DestinyForever Walk. People, let me tell you something. I'm so thankful to have each and every one of you as a part of my channel members that comes over there all the time and, just talk to me, encourage me, empower me, watch my videos. And, guys, I really do appreciate you all. I have some most amazing family and friends, that come to my channel. They are so inspiring. They're so encouraging. And guys, just think you. We're supposed to be going out in nature. Let's do this together. Hold on. What did I say we're going to do? Go out into nature, to Mother Earth, a girl, and her jump rope, and nature. Hang on. Okay, look. Here I am. I'm outside in nature. First place I always come to is to my tree. So let's see what's going on this morning. Hi, lovely tree. There's a whole story behind this tree, people. Like I said, I always come to this tree because I just feel that connection. Like I keep telling you people, it's a powerful connection. Touching, talking, hugging on my tree. But let's walk a little bit. I just want to show you my tree. You're going to get some nature, beautiful scenery, and all kinds of different things. I'm going to make this quick though. I'm not going to be long. Seem very quiet, very still. I don't see one animal. I barely see the sun. Oh, we got some people coming. Look. Yeah, look at this. There's an animal, there's a dog. Check out this dog. Well, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hi. Okay, we're just out here walking. It's quiet. There's nothing up here right now. It's still early though, people. But I'm getting a little walk in. I used to do this. Oh, every single day. Get out there and walk, 5, 6 miles a day, putting in about 13 to 1,700 or 1,000, I don't remember, but I put in so many steps. Okay. Mostly I be doing treadmill now as my workout. I do my treadmill dancing. I get my workouts on my treadmill because I can do my resistance bands on my treadmill. I can do walking backwards on my treadmill. Excuse the sounds, okay? Yeah, there is some sounds here I'm picking up very loud. Get away from here. But I can do, except I like doing the resistance bands. I can do weightlifting. They're just small dumbbells in your hands, you know, and you can walk with those, or you can jog or run with the dumbbells. Just be very careful what you do, you know. You got to take precaution, be very careful and mindful that you are on a powerful machine that is very, 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 very controlling. So you got to make sure that your confidence that is built to a place where you know that you are able and that you can handle this. I see a squirrel. Great. But anyway, like I said before, people, I'm going to tell you again. I do a lot of physical workouts throughout the day. I spend a lot of time on the treadmill. I found that very interesting because the treadmill is fun. You get a great workout. It's good cardio. Look at that squirrel. You get great cardio. Yes. Great cardio. I mean, just wonderful aerobics exercise. And I do that. I saw these few squirrels. But people, look at this. Let's walk to the tree. There's a squirrel in the tree. You see his little bushy tail. Try like you don't see me. Look at him. Ooh, look at him. He's cute. Hi. Good morning. How are you? Come on, let's move. Yeah, leaping, huh? Yes. But anyway, people, you got to find out what's best for you, and you got to do what's best for you and your body and your health. There's a lot of people out there that's going to tell you what you should be doing, what you shouldn't do, and how you should do it. You just got to close off all that distraction and all that negativity, telling people that you're going to kill yourself, you're going to bust your butt, you're going to hurt yourself, that's stupid and dumb. It's a lot of dumb things that people come to try to inspire you, because you know what? They don't have the audacity to get out there and find their own selves, and to work out what they can do for themselves. So they see somebody else doing something and they feel like, oh, I can attack them because, you know, I don't have the courage to get out there and do this myself. Don't let people come up there and distract you from what your goals are or what your passions are, you know, because that's what a lot of times the purpose is to stop you, block you. So if I can get you out of the way, then I can worry about going to the next person, taking them down, because I'm too cowardly to do this myself. Look at the dragonfly. Hey, dragonfly. Good morning. Dragonfly is a great spirit guide. Let you know, guys, that you're on your right path. That you're comfortable. You're safe where you are. I don't know if he won't move. But anyway, he's flying off there. Well, we did see some squirrels and saw a dragonfly. So quiet out here today. Nature is so gorgeous. Look at that one leaf right there. I don't know what he's motivating. He's just sitting there shaking. There's no wind. Hi, like I said, the universe, he sends signs, synchronicities, and he sends all these different events or these things happening around you, because a lot of times he's trying to send messages to tell you things, you know, to encourage you, empower you, to even shield you, protect you. So listen to the signs and watch for synchronicities, and just watch the universe communicate, how the universe communicates, people. This is beautiful, Mother Gaia. And Mother Earth has so much to explore. And you know, one of the biggest things that I love doing when I come into nature is grounding. Taking off those shoes off my feet. Yes, I do, people. And I get out there and put my bare feet into the ground, and I connect myself back to Mother Nature. Wow, look at the rocks. Beautiful place just to hang out. Great for meditation. Great place to come out here and sit and connect with the divine higher power. Just get out here and just find yourself all over again, because this is where we were created from, the heart of the earth, right? Okay, I thought so. But anyway, thank you if you got that. Thank you. So I'm going to go on around here, and you're going to see the girl on her jump rope in a few minutes. But there's not much to see today if everything is quiet. But mother, it's still very early, and so this is where I basically hang out in this area. Been a lot of changes over the last few months, and new construction and stuff coming in. So a lot of the animals, you know, I feel like they were violated from their habitat, from where they used to spend their time, because a lot of birds and a lot of squirrels and different little animals were hanging in this area until they began that instruction, and they just took off, went and found new places and new homes, and so it's very quiet now. They bringing in some new properties, so they had to clear away a whole lot of the trees. People, I'm telling you, they're killing us. They're taking away the trees, the oxygen, man. I'm telling you. But people don't realize that, I guess. Let's go around the corner. It's a little hangout park here. Yeah. If you would like to play with your animals right there. Yes. But it's a little retention pond over there. A lot of times the birds used to come here and they used to hang out. But hold on 1 minute, okay? Okay. The girl in her jump rope. Let's see here. Hey, how you doing? You have a jumping rope too? Huh? You got to watch these things. Hold on for a minute. Okay. Done with that. Hold on for 1 minute. Okay. I feel fast again, right? Oops. That's not the right space. This is not the right space. Hold on. Okay. Try a different spot. It's wet out here. Look like the girl in her jump rope was having some little situations, right? Just being out here is just one of the best places for me. So this is where I find my total self. I can feel my connection with the earth. I just feel my connection with the divine higher power, my connection with the universe. Whether I jump 2 jumps, 500 jumps, or no jumps, I'm just here enjoying nature. Whew. Yes, indeed. Just being out here is everything. Yeah, y'all want to tell you, it's going to be hard on the grass. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Just having myself a morning, a great time. Okay. Girl in her jump rope in nature. I'm out of here. Lovely people, take some time out and explore nature. Go out there and find yourself. Find solutions and answers to things that you may be struggling with, that seem like you don't have an answer to. Listen. Mother Nature speaks always to the heart. Yes, it does. So, okay, I'm out. Guys, see you at next event. This is Dr. Destiny, girl on her jump rope, and beautiful Mother Gaia. Love you, beautiful souls. Thank you for coming.